Hello dear children. Okay, today I am going to explain the formulas of the solid shapes. This is your chapter 17, your volume and surface area of the solid shapes. So you know the solid shapes: cube, cuboids, sphere, cylinders, cone. These are the solid shapes. But in your book only today I am just explain only cube, cuboids and your cylinder according to your books. Okay, so take suppose you take this is the cubical box. Okay, what is cuboid? The all the faces, it has 6 faces. You know it has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. These are the edges. These are the faces. Face 1, face 2. Okay, face 1, 2. Then 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is your 6 faces. And what are the vertices? How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. And then how many edges? 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 3 dimensional shapes because it has 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. Okay. So a cuboid, what is the total surface area of a cuboid? If you find all the areas of all the faces, it has 6 faces. If you find all areas of all the faces, then you add, then you will get the total surface area of the cuboid. Okay, so length, this is your breadth, this is your height. Okay, here length, this is your breadth, and this one also height. Your 4 height now, 1, this one 2, okay 3, and this one 4 height. Then length, breadth, this is also L, this is your breadth, this is L, this is your breadth. Okay, so take this one. Okay, the top part, length and breadth. Area of this rectangular face is your length into breadth. So total surface area, total, that means in short you can write TSA, total surface area of cuboid. So the top part and bottom part, top and bottom. What is this? Is your length, this is your breadth. What is the area? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Plus this is length into breadth. Plus then this part. Okay, your length into h, height. Length into front and back. Length into height. In this case also length into height. So L into h plus L into h plus in these two parts, these two sides, this is your breadth, this is your height. So in this face is your breadth and height. Okay, so B into h plus B into h. Clear? So top, this is LB, bottom LB, then this side's BH, then front and back side your LH. Now, so 2LB plus 2LH plus 2BH. You take common 2LB plus LH plus BH. This is total surface area of cuboid. Clear? Total surface area of cuboid is your 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Yeah, LH plus BH. Any you can tell. Okay, this is your total surface area of cuboid. Now come to your lateral surface area of cuboid. The lateral surface area means the 4 sides except your top and bottom. These are the lateral surface. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the lateral surface. Front, back, then both the 2 sides. Okay, so 4 except your LB, top and bottom. So you take these 4. Clear? So LSL, lateral surface area is your 2 into LH plus 2 into BH. These 4 you take common 2, okay, H L plus B. This is your lateral surface area of cuboid. That means 4 sides of a cubical box, yeah, cuboid, okay. So lateral surface area. If 5 sides given, that means suppose in a cubical tank, the cover, the lid is not there. So you have to find out the area. That means 4 lateral surface area plus the bottom part. So 5 sides, what is the formula? 5 sides, if 5 faces, area of 5 faces, then 2 into H, L plus B plus L into B. Only bottom part, if without cover, without lid of a cubical tank. This is the formula. Clear? Now these are the 3 formulas. The surface area of cuboid. So total surface area is your 2 into LB plus BS plus LS. Lateral surface area is your 2 into H into L plus B, and 5 faces is your 2 into, this is your 4 faces and this is your 5. So 2 into H into L plus B plus LB. Okay, this is the 5 faces of the cuboid. Now come to the total surface areas of cube. You know earlier the cube has 6 faces, but all the faces are square shapes. That means in square all the sides are equal. So here in this case cube, your length and breadth and height are equal. Let it be L, yeah, let it be A. Okay, then how can you find out the formula? Total surface area of cube. So total surface, first let's draw a cube. Similarly like cuboid, all the sides, this is A, height also A, okay, all are A. Let it be A. So all sides, length, breadth, all the dimensions are same. Okay, length and breadth and height, let it be A. So TSA of cube, that means 6 faces, area of 6 faces. So length into breadth, A into A square plus A square plus A square, A square. So 6 times, so 6 A square. 6 A square is total surface area of cube. Then lateral surface area of cube. 4 sides. Okay. Except your top and bottom, 4 sides are there. So A square, A square, A square, A square, 4A square. Okay, then if 5 sides it needed, it's required 5 sides, then 5A square is your 5A square is the 5 faces of, we have 5 faces of areas of cube. Okay, so this is all about your area of cuboid and cube. Now come to the volume. What is the volume of cube and volume of cuboid? Okay, so volume of cube. So if some cubical tank, okay, yeah, cubical tank. Okay, it may be cubical, or yeah, it may be cubical, it may be cylindrical, whatever it may be. Suppose cubical tank, that means for height, that means you need the area of the base and into height. Suppose this is a cubical tank. So first if the base of the area of the base, okay, and the height, then this is the capacity of the tank. Okay, so what is needed? So volume of cube is your, this is your area of your base, what is the base area, what is length into breadth, A into A, area of base, then into height is also A. So A cube. Clear? This is your volume of cube. Then volume of cuboid. You know cuboid has rectangular base. One face is your rectangular. So what is the formula? Area of the rectangular base, your L into B, and height of H. So L into B, this is the area of the base into height. This is the capacity of volume of the cuboid. Generally unit of volume is meter cube या cubic meter या centimeter cube, like that, because meter into meter into meter, that means meter cube. या centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, it means the centimeter cube. Okay, but area always in square. What is the area? Unit of area? Unit of area is your in square, you can find out. Okay, this is all about your volume and surface areas of cube and cuboid. Okay, so one questions. Suppose L one question is given. Suppose length of a cube is your 8 centimeter. Length of a cube is your 8 centimeter. Find total surface area of cube. So TSA of cube is your 6A square. So 6 into A, that means side, is your 8 into 8. 8 into 8, 64. 6 into 64. 384 centimeter square. If you have to find out volume, then how can you find volume? So volume is your A cube. That means 8 into 8 into 8. 512 meter cube. Okay. This is one example. Now you have to convert the unit. In case of suppose same unit in question, suppose length given in a centimeter, breadth given in meter, you have to convert in same unit. After that you just multiply the whatever it needed to be. Okay. One question. One is your unit is 1 liter is your 1000 centimeter cube. Okay. The unit 1 centimeter cube. Suppose 1 kiloliter. You have to remember 1 kiloliter is your 1 meter cube. 1 liter is your 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, 1 liter is your 1000 centimeter cube and 1 kiloliter 1 meter cube. Then 1 centimeter cube is your 1 centimeter cube is your 1 centimeter is your 10 millimeter. So 1, 2, 10, 10, 10 millimeter cube. And 1 meter cube is also 1 meter is your 100 centimeters. So 100 into 100 into 100, that means 60 centimeter cube. These are the units you have to remember. If needed, then you have to convert. Okay. This is all about your volume and surface area of cube and cuboid. Clear? Thank you.